Just to let you guys know, I don't remember the last time a tornado watch has been issued in Indiana in February. I think it's been since 2017. Yeah, February 20th, 2017. So let's listen into it.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 46, effective until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.